welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh into stock, we have this 2012 Ford Ranger. Finished in performance blue. It's got quite a few modifications. Bull bars, Ford main logo on the front grille, wheel arch extenders. It's got 20-inch Hawke alloy wheels, diamond cut, with the Yokohama off-road tyres. Got side steps. It's got freshly fitted light bar, which includes reverse lights and brake lights. Smoked tail lights, got a tow bar on the back. It's got no load cover. Double cab, limited spec, so it's got black leather seats, electric and front heated as well. It's got a CD radio, 6-speed manual gearbox. It's for the lights on the top. You can choose the pattern that you have it. Multi-function steering wheel, cruise control. It's done just over 140,000 miles. Remote central locking. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or if you want to make an appointment to come have a look at it, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Or you can email me, sales@hypermotive.co.uk.